Okay, today's video is about, so thank you to AVA really for sending me this new snow foam cannon. I had a problem with this one. Basically, this knob here, for the strength of your solution, it's basically gone really stiff. Now, I've been thinking about it. When it's wet, I can't turn it at all. It's slipping in my fingers. And I think maybe I've put a chemical in here that could have caused a problem with this, with it being plastic. I don't know. But nevertheless, when I contacted AVA, they sent me a program to go through to check out the snow foam cannon, which is very thorough, and it goes through finding your faults with it, and it came out with a fault that we have this fault with this. So I contacted them back, and very quickly, I think within 2 days, I received this brand new cannon, no problem. So really chuffed about that. That's a warranty that you can rely upon, and it just shows that when they back them up and say they've got a 20-year warranty, you really have, because you get a problem, they fix it. Just while we're at it, I thought I'm just going to show some benefits of this, some design benefits of it that's a bit different to others. One of them, and I think this is completely unique, is the end of this tube here. That's cut in such a fashion, they often just splice it over and do one way. It's got a V in it, look. Doesn't matter which way that goes on something, that's going to pick up. It's never going to get into a position where it can't pick up. That's again another thought out feature of AVA, just like many of the things that they do. They're really on the ball. Another thing they do, if you want to put a different chemical in it and not put it through that, or you want to save that with a different chemical in it, put your bottle on there, that screws straight on so you can take it straight from a bottle. And honestly, it's the thought that goes into these AVA products is fantastic. I'm super impressed with them. I'm just going to show a couple of things and how easy these are to service while I'm at it, because I might as well. Only a couple of minutes. These C-clips, they just push together. You push them in with your fingers. There's a little groove there. Put a screwdriver in, pull it through. Oops, I've just flopped that out. I'm glad I caught that. It just shows that I've not done this, I believe. That's the jet in that side there. The filter's going to be in here somewhere, and I'm not taking it out. Here we go, here's the filter. That's the jet from that side, and there's your filter. So when you want to service it, they come with a filter when you buy them. So it's really, really easy to put together. You can see I've not practiced this though, and it's quite good. And then you can see through, there's the jet. And blow through that. I believe they come with a pin, I think, you put through it when you buy it. So anyway, that slips back on there. It's got 2 locating pegs. It's got rubber O-rings. It's got these 2 pegs here that go into these gaps here, look. Slap that together like that. And we'll have to do this one on the fly. There's a spring and an indent thing, and that there is what goes in there and goes click, click. Okay. So that goes into the side here. There's a hole in the side there for it. Can only go in one way. It's got if you look at it, the shape of it can only go in the one way. So there we go, that's that in. Push this down here and hold that in with your finger. Get a tool there, just slot that in. It's a bit awkward. Here we go, we're in. Slip that back in there. I love the way they put these all together like this. It's dead simple. Look. You can use the back of something like that. Don't go whacking things. Then this just slips in there. You've got your two holes there, two slots. Okay, they've got to line up with these two holes here. Look, you put this through here. They've got to line up. Start that off there. So you make sure that those two slots there line up with those two there so it slides in. Just so happens that that is perpendicular to that. There you go, job done. So unfortunately this is just a dead one now. Oh, I never demonstrated how this got this fantastic notch system, which that spring and indent was for, and you listen to how positive that is. The only one thing that it doesn't have is you've only got the vertical spray pattern, but it does a full open wave. Just doesn't, you have to turn it on its side if you want it like that. There we go. Thank you, AVA, for that. Appreciate that. Turns absolutely smooth as silk, the new one. I'll be careful what chemicals I put in it, because like I say, I think I might have put something in that has melted the plastic or something. It's very unusual for an AVA product to fail like that, so I think it's probably user error, but they still looked after me and sent a new one. Good, well, thanks very much for looking. If you don't mind, if you subscribe and do a thumbs up, be nice for me. Thank you. Catch you on another day.